Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the wise.com website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in wise.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official wise.com website. In order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will now see the login portal. If you created your account using your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, you can click on these respective buttons to proceed with logging in through a shortcut. Otherwise, just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then tap on the login button and you will be asked to check your email or your phone to find the verification code. So log into your email or check your phone and you will find the confirm your email or the verification code within your SMS. Either click on this link or enter the verification code within the given box and then you can click on the continue button and you will be logged in to your wise.com account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the wise.com website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.